it's Hammer Time. Plays Last of Us Remastered. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. It's brought to you by that's 009. Like and subscribe to her also.
Tommy, listen to me. He is the contractor. He's the contractor, okay? I can't lose this job. I understand. Let's talk about this in the morning, okay? We'll talk about it in the morning. All right, good night.
Hey.
Scoot.
Monday at work, huh?
What are you still doing up? It's late.
Crud, what time is it?
It's way past your bedtime.
But it's still today.
Honey, please not right now. I do not have the energy for this.
Here.
What's this?
Your birthday? You kept complaining about your broken watch. So I figured, you know. You like it?
Honey, it's
what?
nice, but I think it's stuck. It's not.
What? No. Oh, ha ha.
By the way,
the money for this?
Played it,
Drugs.
so.
I sell hardcore
This should be good.
Oh, good.
First time I
Start
ever
helping
played
out with
it.
the mortgage then.
We're
Yeah,
in
you
for
wish.
it. Damn, I should have put it in HD. Crap. Next video, we're gonna put it in HD. And don't forget to follow me on Ustream.tv. It's YouTube_TV Hammer Time. That's my old channel. But this is my new one. Hammer Army.
Hello?
Sarah, honey, I need to get your daddy on the phone.
Uncle Tommy, what time is it?
I need to talk to your dad now. There's something.
Uncle Tommy? Hello?
I gotta be this girl. Really?
What was that all about?
I guess I have to. Great. Cool posters though. There's a wolf. Hey sleepy? Let's go. Hey, there's something we can interact with.
Oh, dang it. I forgot to give this to him.
Can't touch nothing else? Damn it. I'm touching stuff to see what's going on.
Dad?
She's about to pass out, ain't she? Looks. I gotta take a piss. You won't let me take a pee? Dang it. I wanted to pee, man. Go. Damn it. Okay. Where's Dad, man?
Daddy?
Dad's around here somewhere. Dad? Hey. Dad? Where you at? Dad? What's this? Nothing? Thanks. Are you in here, Dad?
You in here?
No, Dad ain't in here.
Where the heck are you?
There's something on TV. Let's see what's going on.
There seems to be some commotion coming from
What the hell was that?
What was that?
Shit blowing up everywhere. Look at that. Woo! boom shakalaka.
Dad?
Let's work out. Oh man, can't work out. Can't do nothing. Now she's cold. How you get cold all of a sudden?
Dad?
Dad, where are you, man? We're scared to death here. Need some help.
What is going on?
Game time. That's funny, Liquid Raven 52. What the f***'s going on? Where y'all going? I'm still looking for my dad. Dad, where are you, Dad? We was laying here a minute ago. What time is it? Damn, 2:15. I went to bed. Fell asleep before then. Alright, let's see. We got anything to eat?
There's his phone.
There's bananas. L3. Which button's that? I pushed it. What the hell? Do you hold it or just push it? I did push it.
Where is
Okay.
he?
I said he left, man. I think.
8 missed calls. Where the hell are you? Call me on my way.
Okay. I called him back. Okay, never mind. I guess we ain't calling them back. Now what? So he just killed a dog. It's a little girl. No, that's me. Who'd have thought? Who'd have knew that shit? I'm in. There he is! Dad! Finally! Fuck yeah!
Sarah,
Dad shows up.
are you okay?
All we eat sheep shit. Hoorah for
anyone
Dad.
come in here?
Yeah, no,
No,
nobody come in.
come in
What are you
here.
talking about?
Don't go near the doors. Just
Why?
stand back there.
Here, let me go over here and
Dad,
see
you're
what's
kind of
going on.
freaking me out.
Yeah,
going
something's
on?
going on out here.
The Coopers.
What's up there?
Ride with them. I
What
think they're sick.
I'm kind of sick.
the hell?
Jimmy!
Dad?
Honey, come here. Come here. Jimmy!
Shoot them all. Shoot 'em.
Jimmy, I am warning you. Don't!
I want to be Dad. I don't want to be the kid.
You shot him?
Sarah,
You damn right I shot him. Shot him right in the head.
there is something bad going on. We've got to get out of here. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Tommy, come on. Come on.
Where are we going?
Where the hell you been? You have any idea what's going on out there?
Hell no.
Some notion.
That's what I was going to ask you.
You got blood all over you.
Hey, man, let's just get out of here.
He shot somebody. I saw it.
Just please go.
Or a parasite or something. You gonna tell me what happened?
Later.
Hey, Sarah. How you holding up, buddy?
I'm fine.
I don't know what the hell's going on.
Can you hear us on the radio?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thanks.
No cell phone. No radio. Yeah, we're doing great. A minute ago, newsman wouldn't shut up.
He said where to go?
They said, Army's put up roadblocks on the highway. No getting into Travis County.
We need to get the hell out. Take the 70.
70. That's right.
Where are we going? They going that way. Let's go the
They
other
say
way.
him and your dad?
Probably a lot. Found this one family on Magnet.
45 mile an hour. How fast you going?
Right. Sorry.
All right, you do 40, man. You do 45.
Jesus Christ, how did this happen?
They got no clue.
Damn,
We
sorry,
ain't the
Rick.
only town. First they're saying it's just the south.
Woo, do circle.
East coast, west
Circle. Woo. That house is on fire.
coast. Holy hell.
Y'all see that?
That's
Look at that.
Lewis's farm.
Well, so much for the
Some bitch made
farm.
it out.
Sure he did.
If he didn't, he's dead now.
No, of course not.
How do you know?
They said it's just people in the city. We're good.
Didn't Jimmy work in the city?
That's right, he did. We're fine, trust me.
Alright.
Hospital. Boy.
Let's see what they need.
What do you think you're doing? Keep driving.
They got a kid, Joel.
So do
But we
we.
have room.
Keep driving, Tommy.
Oh, man, come on now.